Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing M2, and if I die, I play Find the Key. So yeah. Okay, so let's see what I am. Innocent. Okay, I don't like being innocent, but who cares? Um, right now I am going just to spy on people like this. Yeah, not like this. Since I have shift lock on, I could just do that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know how many times I'm saying yeah, but yeah. Like right now. Look, I'm suspicious of people now. Oh. Okay. Well. Now I know who's killing. That dude. He like literally came and then he went back to see if the knife still and the gun's still there. So yeah. I thought he was gonna come back, but he didn't. So thank goodness. Now I see the gun. Okay. I got it before that. Okay. I probably will have bad aim being if there's. Okay, I gotta get home. You got it. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I haven't shot him. What the heck? Just scared. Okay, guys. Just shoot him. Okay, nope. I missed. Oh my god, he was so close to me. I would have died. Gotta get home. Wasn't that guy bacon thing way over there? I don't know. Where's he? But wait, never mind. He's right there. Okay, here we go. Try to get him. Wow, I'm still scared. Just get him. Oopsies. Ready? Oh wow. See? So cool. I'm just kidding, Mom, but you know, who cares? So yeah, that was the first round, and I didn't die. Okay. What? There's a random cat cube. I guess I was saying GG too. Well, I'm not gonna so. Yes, I'm saying GG. Someone said give me free Gotti because I can't say it. Whatever. The knife because give me knives because it's their birthday. And 2 days after percent, I guess. I have no idea. I'm gonna say again. I think it's the cube. What's in the cube? There's a girl with one eye. Thought it was gonna be one of them, but it's not because that girl would have stayed, which I'm probably still suspicious of her. So, what? So yeah. Right now, someone just said happy birthday, and then to you, happy early birthday to you, because the guy's birthday, and he said thank you. So that's going on in chat right now. I'm so tired. I'm literally just standing here. I thought it was him for a little bit, but I don't think so anymore because it was him last time. So why would it still be him? But if it is him, he just had to go back then. Just I'm not murderer. Okay, let me spy on people to see where them right now. Wait, what the heck? That was so laggy. So that girl just moved so fast. Girl said happy birthday. Oh, bruh. I just saw a gun right there. Someone else took it. That's not mine. Those. So I saw the person that killed. I think I heard. I can't remember getting stuff. hope. So. I got so lucky he didn't die. That scared me. She's still laggy. I'm to go stick at the gun. I want to see if she's still there. Because I think she left, maybe? Well, heck no, she didn't. I was so lost. Okay, I think I just act. I don't know how. Because she was also kind of laggy. I don't know, a little laggy. So I thought she was going to like lag and then I couldn't kill her, so. Yeah. So I'm jumping like a rabbit. I kind of need the bathroom right now, so I'll just hurry this up. Okay. Okay, now we're like in this lobby. I just down, but I just saw someone right there. There's like a random girl following me. It's a cube, and I mean, again, so dumb. Scared. Imagine, yeah. Just imagine if it's that girl. Hold up. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, and now I want to go back again because if it's those people, I mean, that person, I'm scared. Well, I don't think it is the exploiter. I think it is. Oh, see, look, it is. See, look, he went through the wall. Scary. Oh, yeah, but he's definitely exploiter. Yep, he's exploiter. Okay. Now we don't need to worry about that. Just go around here. Candy. Oh, heck. Now I have to do my first key thingy majiggy. That I had to go to another game. So yeah. Okay, let me just like go to her game. So yeah. Okay, now I'm in keys and I have to escape. Well, I think someone already found the escape. So just go now. So yeah. Oh no, 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 oh no. Why can't I go through that? Okay. They said there was a monster, but there's no monster. I don't see any monster. Okay, that girl like just jumped over him, her. That girl just okay through the cloud. Okay, but this girl's just that girl's probably not gonna escape. Okay, yeah. See, I told you she's not gonna escape because she looks so laggy. She's level 59, but well, yeah. Yeah. Why am I so good at this? So good. Okay, now we are in the hospital. I'm sure. And there's a closet. One clown. Okay. Two clowns. Three clowns. Three clowns. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. That was so close. Why am I so laggy? Help. Why? Okay. So I just opened the door for that. And why am I walking so fast? Okay, I see this. Escape. I'm gonna escape quickly. And then okay, good, good. Because there was a monster approaching me, so I was scared. Okay, we're back in the map. I'm playing it around some map. Sorry. So yeah, if I die, I probably have to do it again, play that game again. So yeah, it is fun, but sometimes it's hard. Okay. The floor. Tell people what you do. If I lost in the world. Yeah. But all let's deviate. There is a cookie swirl fan. I guess she's a. I remember watching her when I was small. So yeah. This is see. Listen. Oh. I don't know who it is. Okay, I do not know who it is. Well, no one. It could be a lot of people. This time, I'm walking out. Oh. Scary. Again. I don't know who it is. That was her for a little bit because she looked cheesy, but hey, she didn't. So yeah. What in the world? Why is my phone so heavy? Okay, the kitchen cooking murderer. So yeah, I didn't tell that. Perfect. Now let's begin. What should I pick? I picked nothing. Then so yeah. For some reason, and never mind. I was gonna say something about her guy. If I can hide here, I'm just going random places where I can hide. I heard I can hide here, but It goes through. So. Yeah, it won't work. Right here. The water slide up and felt like okay. So I think I know. I don't know yet. This was a high spot. I think everyone knows that already. Oh yeah. There's another high spot up in attic. Oh no. I hear what happens. Okay, suppose going down. I'm going up. Across the spots. Scroll a bit for a little bit. So yeah. Alright, everyone knows spots too. Yeah. You get out of there. This is a great spot. Right here. But I don't wait there. So okay. Scared me, okay. How's that gonna fall? Goes out here. Yeah, that one is. Okay, I died. And do not mind the boys, like the background noises.
Help me!
So yeah, they're like lots of that background noises. Because like Sarah's watching something. Oh yeah, she's watching trolls. Yeah. Oh no. Okay, so yeah, I don't. Okay, I died. And someone to help me. I would. And sorry if you can barely hear my voice. That is very bad. So yeah.
Help me!
Someone shouldn't help me. But they got killed, but got down. I think they fell.
Help me!
So yeah.
Help me!
Someone's healing me. Thank you. Thank you very much. So someone found the exit, which I'm gonna do it probably second. Cleave second. So yeah. I've been like really wanted to make another video because I haven't made one last week. I think last week I made one, but I had to make. I had to edit it, so yeah. I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm seeing people right now trying to heal him. Okay, so okay, they're gonna die. Are they? I don't know. Seriously, someone else, the same person, got injured again. So yeah, unless I went to leave. So yeah. Okay, we finished one round. I think we need to go another round, do we? I think, yeah, more round. I'm dancing, guys, wow. I love the community area. So yeah, I'm just gonna be quiet for the rest, like some of the video. So yeah, peace. just for you guys to know, this is not my real voice. This is like another voice. So yeah, it's because I'm editing this right now. And yeah, this is not my voice. So yeah, peace.
Oh!
Okay, so to escape, and I think I'm gonna be done with this video. So yeah, peace guys.